my vegetable garden. Living room. Kitchen. Laundry room. Washing machine works. Dryer works. Dishwasher. Stove. Dishes. Coffee. Food. More dishes. Freezer. Refrigerator. Bathroom 1. I figured I would let the girls design it when they are allowed to come home. My son's room. My extra bathroom supply closet. Laundry detergent. Toilet paper. Girls' room. They asked that they be allowed to decorate it when they're allowed to come home, so we've left it pretty basic. Closet, large closet. We did put some stickers up on their closet doors, though, for them. Our bedroom. Second bathroom. Everything works. And that's about all there is to show you.